Every day is an opportunity, a chance to exceed yesterday's results and pull together to climb higher. At Chelsea Building Products, we value customer partnerships. We put the skill and experience of our marketing, product design, technical and testing services, manufacturing and material science into helping our partners excel. For 45 years, we've been supporting our customers with exceptional products and services. Groundbreaking products like the United States' first all-vinyl double-hung tilt replacement window system. Eco-friendly solutions like C-Core, a thermally efficient reinforcing material that can be recycled, reformulated, and reused. Innovative products like InnoView, designed using the latest thermal and structural simulation programs. And we have expanded our portfolio to include many other exterior building products. Chelsea has the experience to help fabricators solve problems and gain a competitive edge. We begin by listening and understanding their unique strengths and challenges. Then, our expert design team can help develop products to meet the customer's needs. Our tooling technology department designs and builds extrusion tooling, which gives us the capability to be flexible and creative in profile design and material selection. Our materials group custom blends millions of pounds of PVC and composite materials to use in our extrusions. Our experienced technical service department evaluates workflow to maximize throughput, eliminate waste, and simplify processes. Our quality team members perform accredited product testing and assist with certifications. And our marketing consultants help plan product, sales, and distribution strategies in response to dynamic market conditions. These value-added services can open new horizons. Chelsea is the kind of strategic partner who will help supplement fabricators' resources and be there with innovative solutions. Because at Chelsea Building Products, we understand that your success is our success. Chelsea Building Products, building solutions, building success.